Hey, it's Cindy, your hair care specialist at Super Hairpieces. We are thrilled to introduce the new French lace HD106XL and PW106HD, a few of our most innovative hair systems designed with the latest technology. Let's dive in and compare these two products. Both the HD106L and PW106HD are specifically designed for people experiencing significant hair loss. These units exceed a men's hair system standard of 8 by 10. They are making it ideal for those seeking a larger hairpiece. Both systems feature a French lace material for a natural look and comfortable feel, and a clear poly painting that adds to the hair system's durability, ensuring it can withstand frequent use. The bleach knots at the front provide an even more natural appearance. With proper maintenance, these systems can last for about 2 to 4 months. So, what's the difference between the two? For starters, the shape and the size. The shape of the PW106HD is designed similarly to a full cap wig. In fact, the PW106HD is a partial wig, so it offers space for hair at the temples and hugs over the head and back with a 9.5 inch by 11 size. The HD106XL is shaped like our standard toupees, more in relation to the M106 family, but expanding the size to 9 by 10. The poly width of these two hair systems also differs. The PW106HD has a poly width of 1.5 inch on the sides and 2.5 inch on the back. However, the HD106XL has slightly less poly with a similar 1.5 inch at the sides, but 2 inch at the back. Lastly, the front hairline shape. The PW106HD is a CC shape for wider hairlines, and the HD106XL is an A shape for more narrow hairlines. Ultimately, both options are great if you want a lace-based hair system with natural coverage and long-lasting durability. Your choice just depends on the coverage needs. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Bye for now.